Hi, this is Art with OCRV in Yorba Linda. Yeah, just give you a little update. This is the ecology project. This body mounts on a long nose crew cab, Peterbilt diesel truck, 220 custom build. So we've built this unit and we're through the body and paint process. You can see how beautiful the paint is. Amazing. The owner of this just let us go all the way on it. It's amazing. We had fabbed up some different doors for it, and the owner decided that he wanted some louver doors made for it. So we just got done building these louver doors, all custom machined slats and fabricated in nice, beautiful aluminum doors. They fit just beautifully. So we're through all the color, sand, and polish stage. And we just lifted it off of its transport unit and blocked it up, and we just got done Raptor lining. We painted it with a polyurethane paint and then put a Raptor coat over the top of it for rust protection, and also looks fantastic. Let's go over and take a look at the parts in the spray booth. So as you can see, we're in our heated downdraft spray booth, 68 feet long. Probably one of the largest heated downdraft spray booths in Orange County, I think. So here's the slide out, and we base coated and clear coated it, and then tomorrow we will block it down and then re-clear coat it again, and then it'll be ready for sand and polish. And that's how you get that deep mirror finish, is by several coats of clear, blocking it down, finishing up with several more coats of clear, and then reblock, sand, and color, sand, and polish. Here's the awning for the rig. This is a Girard awning, 23 feet long. It mounts flush up inside a box, and then a door opens up and exposes the awning, comes out. Super cool feature. So anyways, we're excited to wrap this project up and get it down the road. So if you've got any projects you'd like some help with, or collision repair, we're specialists in sprinter and RV repair, give us a shout.